Good morning, students. Let us start today's online class. Today, I'm going to start chapter number 13, Novel Black Beauty, A Good Home for Good. A Good Home for Good. Before reading a chapter, I would like to tell you here one sentence. People often say it is darkest before the dawn. This is correct here. Means before the dawn, everything appeared dark. Means during night it is totally dark, but as soon as the dawn appeared, everything become a clear. Means become a means we get a brightness. Do you know what this mean? Means already there is a question here. Means what is the meaning of it? We will get here now through this chapter after reading here, so you have to listen properly. What is? At the sale, a gentleman came up to look at me. Here Black Beauty is going to explain here in the last moment. While it was very old and about to die, he had a last moment and he was in a sale. Sale means in the market where the horses can be sell. So what is here? I'm taking first para. At the sale, a gentleman came up to look at me. Me means Black Beauty. Means at the sale, when Black Beauty was about to sold by his owner who was keeping with him, in the same time a gentleman, very kind-hearted man, came to look at him. He told his grandson Willie that must have been quite a good horse at one time. And what is here? The gentleman told his grandson Willie that horse must be quite a good horse for one time. My name and my tail still looked nice. My mane means the hairs at the neck and the tail of the horse looked very nice. That is why the man patted me kindly. In answer, I held out my nose to his hand. Means Black Beauty, as soon as the man came to the Black Beauty and patted means keeping his hands on him very kindly. In the reply, Black Beauty also held his nose in his hand. Means to his hand. To his hand means the man who had came to purchased him. The Black Beauty kept his nose at to his hand. Next para I'm taking children. Willie cried, "See how well he understands kindness." On it, Willie, the grandson of a gentleman, cried and said that how the horse understood the kindness of yours. Can't you buy him? Then he cried out that could he buy him? Him is Black Beauty. The boy was very keen to have me, and the boy was very eager to have that horse. I am sure he will become as good as younger in our meadows. Then Black Beauty started thinking that the time which was coming to him in future might be the time as in the young stage when he was living in the meadows. He said he finally managed to persuade his grandfather to buy me. Next means the grandson finally succeeded to persuade. Persuade means to agree to purchase the Black Beauty as his horse. Next para I'm taking children. I was fed well and had the meadow all to myself the whole day. Means Black Beauty was fed very well, and there was a meadow where Black Beauty himself keep whole day long. And Billy was asked to look after me, and grandfather means gentleman asked the Willie to look after to the Black Beauty. I must say that he did a good job many times. Means Black Beauty also used to say that he did a good job. Many times he gave me something good to eat, like a carrot, which the other horse did not get. Means Black Beauty is giving here that he had given many times, he had given something good to eat like a carrot, and which is not other horses are not getting to eat. Means he also got this one. He talked to me lovingly, very lovingly he talked. Means the Willie, the grandson of that kind hearted means gentleman, loved him very, means talked very lovingly to the Black Beauty. I grew very fond of him and used to follow him around in the field. And Black Beauty was also very fond of means attracted towards the Willie, and used to follow him. Means where the Willie went, the Black Beauty also followed him in the field around. I became better and better. Next pair I'm taking, children. I became better and better with a good food, rest and light exercise. Means day by day as the time passed, Black Beauty said that he became better and better because he was getting a good food, rest and light exercise. That is why he became a good horse. As Willie had thought, I began to feel quite young in a few months. As Willie was thinking that, इसमें Black Beauty also began to feel that he was a quite younger in a few months. Within a few months, he became a very young horse, means energetic horse. One day, Willie and his grandfather gave me the job of pulling a light carriage. And one day, Billy and his grandfather gave him means Black Beauty, the job of pulling a light carriage. Light carriage means a small carriage, and it was having no weight, heavy weight. I could manage it perfectly well, and Black Beauty very easily managed it very perfectly, and there he created no problems. Next pair I'm taking, children. A few days later, I heard Willie's grandfather telling the boy that they would look for a quiet place for me. Means in a few days, after a few days later, Black Beauty heard that Billy's grandfather was talking to the boy, telling to the boy that they would look for a quiet place for me. Means a good place for the Black Beauty. He said he wanted my new owners to value me, and then they wanted to the new owner and who looks after and value him and like and respect. Means give a like and respect. So they wanted to give to the new owner. I knew that something was going to change when one day the groom spent a very long time cleaning me and trying to make me look as good as I could. Means I knew that something was going to wrong. Means one day when Black Beauty understood that his master was trying to make him very clean, and he spent a long time, the groom spent a very long time for cleaning the Black Beauty and trying to make Black Beauty look as good as he could. So Black Beauty understood that something was going to wrong, something was going to change here. After that, I was driven to the house of three sisters. Means then Black Beauty was driven out to the house where three sisters were living. The young lady liked me. Next pair I'm taking, children. The young lady liked my face a lot. But the oldest was scared of driving a horse which had fallen earlier. Means the youngest lady liked my face a lot. Means the youngest lady who was there liked the Black Beauty's face. Very, it was very nice. That is why she liked. But the oldest who was living there, oldest lady was very scared of driving a horse because she had already fallen earlier. Willie's grandfather said that the fault was often the driver's. On it, when this discussion was taking place, the Willie's grandfather told them that it was the mistake of the drivers. That is why she had fallen. He told them that they would try. He told them that they would try me out for a few days and then decide. Means then Black Beauty's owner also told them that they would try to Black Beauty for few days, then they decide whatever they had to do. The next day, I was taken to their house so that they could try me out for a few days. Means next day, and Black Beauty was taken to the house where the three sisters were living, and so that they could try Black Beauty for a few days. They put me into a comfortable stable and fed me. Then these three sisters also put the Black Beauty into the comfortable stable, means where the horses are kept, and fed him very nicely. I was left alone till the next morning, and there the Black Beauty was left alone till the next morning. When the groom came into the clean, means till the groom came to clean that room. Okay, students, we will discuss in next lecture. Till then, goodbye.